जी मैं आज हूँ ओंटारियो के नायग्रा फॉल्स सिटी में। सबको पता है कि नायग्रा फॉल्स सिटी है वो अपने फॉल्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है, बट जो बात बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है वो है कि नायग्रा फॉल्स है वो अपनी वाइन के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। यहाँ की वाइन्स है वो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, कनाडा में तो फेमस है ही है बट पूरी दुनिया में फेमस है और इधर से एक्सपोर्ट होती है। तो ऐसे ही इस जगह पे आज मैं वाइनरी में हूँ। वाइनरी यानी कि वो जगह जहाँ पे वाइन बनती है। अब मेरे पीछे जो देख रहे हो वो अंगूर के बागीचे है, उसमें से ये लोग वाइन बनाते हैं। तो वो कैसे बनती है, उसका प्रोसेस क्या है, वो हम आज जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies.
इनका फार्म है वो पूरा 60 एकड़ में फैला हुआ है और जो एक बार ये ग्रेप्स के प्लांट बो देते हैं उसके बाद उस पर ग्रेप्स आने में 4 साल लग जाते। अप्रैल में इन पे ग्रेप्स आना शुरू होते हैं और वो तकरीबन सितंबर में पूरे पक्के वाइन के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं।
Alright, hey guys, welcome to Between the Lines Winery. My name is Shivan.
ये सर जी आज हमें पूरी वाइन मेकिंग प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, फ्रॉम ग्रेप टू योर ग्लास।
I'll be looking after you. Today we're going on a grape to glass tour, as you can see. It's just to explain the process of how actually you get more than just a bottle of wine. It's the actual process from that grape all the way through the fermentation process, through the picking process, through the growing process, and all the way into harvest and finally into your bottle.
फिर शिवन ने मुझे उनकी वाइनरी की स्पेशलिटी यानी कि स्पार्कलिंग वाइन ट्राई करवाई।
So we are actually the first winery in Ontario to ever put wine in a can.
Oh,
Right.
like you guys are like for
First,
real, like
first.
the first one.
Yeah, 1 bottle of wine
So like 7 to 10
of these. Yeah,
just for one bottle of wine.
Yeah, so that's 750 ml, right? Each grape you can get about 5 to 10 drops out of it, depending on the size of the grape, how much liquid's inside. But technically, when you're looking at in terms of, for example, red wines, the actual color of red wines doesn't even come from the juice of the grape. More so, it comes, the flavor of wine and the color of wine comes from the skin of the grape. Right?
Yeah.
So
what is this one? Like this is the green one or the red
this is
one?
red. So it'll turn color in like 2 or 3 weeks, right? So I'll show you. So for here, with grapes, the actual skin of the grape has veins in it. It's like the human skin. I don't know, you probably camera won't be able to see this, but you'll be able to see it. It's very light. So these are veins. So just like humans, when you cut yourself, you bleed. So with grapes, once you crush them, I've crushed it, now they bleed color and flavor.
जी हाँ, ये बिल्कुल सही बात है। मैं ये जान के हैरान था कि अंगूर में भी हमारी तरह स्किन होती है, नसें होती है और जब आप उसको काटोगे तो उसमें से खून निकलता है, बिल्कुल इंसानों की तरह।
Wow.
Alright, so we leave, once we press all the juice out, we leave the skins in the juice so that that flavor can bleed into the wine. Right, that's how wine flavor comes.
बहुत खट्टी है। It's too sour.
So there's
And you
very
guys
baby.
only plant grapes, like
Yeah,
only.
So out there are the 10 new acres, they are baby grapes, they're only a month old.
And how long does it like take for this grape to like ripe?
To ripen,
Yeah.
takes from April up until September, the end of September. So the growing process is between April and September,
So it's basically a 6 month, right?
almost. Yeah.
And then once you guys harvest it, you guys start making the wine.
Yeah, we will-
during the winter time.
We will take it in October, will be picked by a harvesting machine, and then it is crushed and destemmed. So all those little seeds come, we run it through a machine. I'll show you the machine inside. It's called a crusher and destemmer. It takes out all the stems that are left, it takes out all the seeds, and it crushes those grapes. So it makes those grapes bleed, right? So we purposely crush them, and then it's processed right away. Okay, now I want you to guess. Tell me, how old do you think these little vines are?
Which one?
These ones, these small ones right here.
You say it takes like 6 months, so maybe 2-3 months.
No. The plants, no. The actual growing process of grapes takes 6 months.
Then
The plants,
yeah.
you have to guess their years in terms of their age in terms of years.
Wow. So maybe 1 year. I might be wrong.
4 years old.
4 years old.
Very small. Alright, go take a look. Don't worry.
All of this?
This small one.
The small ones?
4 years old. So for us, it takes 4 years for grapes to actually grow to a point where we can actually use the grapes for production. How old do you think those ones are behind?
8 years.
8 years? 25 years old.
फिर मैंने शिवन से पूछा कि सर्दियों में जब भारी बर्फबारी होती है तब ये प्लांट कैसे सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं.
In the winter time when it freezes, the ground freezes about 4 feet underneath the soil.
Yeah.
So these roots, I tell people it's like an iceberg. What you see on top is not what you get at the bottom. This, in terms of height, I'm about 6'1", so this is about 6'2", 6'3" in height. Underneath those grounds, that root can go up to 25 feet deep.
Wow. So
That can go 4 my height.
Doesn't affect at all.
No. Winter time, it looks like everything is dead, but they're alive. So they are in a state of where there is no growth.
मैंने वाइन मेकिंग एज अ बिजनेस कैसा होता है उस बारे में जानने की कोशिश की.
So when you plant grapes, you've got to think 4, 5, 6 years in the future. You have to have a lot of financial backing and you have to have a lot of time.
Let's say if anybody wants to start this business, what kind of license one need to get from the government?
It's a lot of licensing. I'm not proficient in licensing. I do not know exactly what goes in terms of licensing. But you need to get a grape growing certification or license from the government. The agricultural sector of the government will come, they'll do a soil test, they'll test the soil, make sure that you have the appropriate growing conditions for it. There are a lot of tests that you need to run. You need to have effective, for example, like water treatment plants. Right? You need to have somewhere where you can actually process grapes. Your tractors need to be safe. You a lot of health and safety. It's not easy to start a winery, but if you do well and you set up a name for yourself, your return on investment is far greater than the cost of actually starting a winery.
ने उनकी वाइनरी की बेस्ट सेलिंग रेड वाइन ट्राई की.
रेड ग्रेप वाली है ये. Wow. How old is this?
Again, 2019.
2019. Same. 2019 की है.
So in the world, we have more than 500 different types of grapes.
Wow.
Right?
And Niagara region is the best place to.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So
And
there's a
why
big
is that?
debate. The big debate is we actually are competing for the best growing region of grapes in Canada.
Okay.
Right? The reason for it is technically, you see that ridge over there? That ridge, it runs all the way to Hamilton. That technically is called the Niagara Escarpment. That used to be, hundreds of thousands of years ago, used to be the lake shore of Lake Ontario. So what we are all standing in right now technically is a lake bed, dried out lake bed. The lake has receded over the years.
Yeah.
So the soil quality here is very rich in nutrients and minerals.
ग्रेप्स को हार्वेस्ट करने के बाद इस बड़े से मशीन में डाल के क्रश किया जाता है उसका जूस निकालने के लिए. जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस वीडियो. फिर वो जूस को इस बड़े से कंटेनर में डाल के यीस्ट एंड अल्कोहल मिलाया जाता है. And here we go, it's ready for drink. Winery has their own store in which you can buy their products.
Es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you have enjoyed the video. It really helps the channel. And again, I would like to say the same thing that अभी video making मैं सिर्फ सीख रहा हूँ. So please let me know in the comment box that in what areas I can improve. Again, thank you so much. Stay safe.